Letter number 1. You are so very is how I begin when I am trying to describe you. You know that I always use so many different words to describe you and our love that it just begins, simply, you are so very. You have helped me to become a better person and to get in touch with myself and to like myself. You expected better things from me and supported my efforts to have a positive outlook. You are so very wonderful. I dream of the day I can finally pledge my love to you, forever and always, and receive yours in return. You are so very supportive and loving, you make me want to shout at the top of my lungs how much I love and adore you, how I love to share your life, and how very beautiful you are. I will love you forever and a day, my love, because you are so very, very just every good thing I can think of. Letter number 1. I know I am in love because I see you every way I turn no matter what I am doing. I know I want to be with you, not just with you, but share everything with you, too. Just being close to you is not enough for me. I want to be a part of you, a part of your life forever. I never have to wonder if you love me. You complete me, my heart and my soul. You're my best friend, my lover, and my soulmate. You have been there and supported me like no one else has before. I'm lost without you. I love you more than life itself. There are no words I can say to truly tell you how much I really love you. I couldn't picture myself without you in my life. You are perfect for me in every possible way, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You give me reason to strive for more of everything. I learn more and more from you every day. My heart is forever yours. I know saying, I love you is powerful, yet I feel it's not enough. My life was a wreck before now. I never thought it would change, but you came into my life and everything took a turn for the best. You show me the value of life. You give me the most amazing feelings inside. It feels great to actually love and be loved in return. We have been friends for over 3 years now, and I know we have only been dating for a short time now, but I know our love will last a lifetime. I can't wait until I am your wife. I love you with all my heart. I am yours forever. Letter number 2. I love you so very much, sweetheart. You are the love of my life. I have a hard time explaining how I feel. I have never felt anything like this before. You are always there for me no matter what. I do not know what I would have done this week without your love and support. You are the most loving, caring, compassionate and absolutely most awesome guy that I have ever met. My last boyfriend holds a special place in my heart, but you have gone way above and beyond him. I never thought that was possible. I want to marry you now, I want to be your wife. I want a baby with you, that is the most awesome experience, nothing compares to that. You are a wonderful father to our kids, but you deserve more. Thank you for always being there, for the flowers they are beautiful, for your kind words, hugs, kisses, and the unconditional love. You are a dream come true and I want to spend the rest of my life with you as your wife, lover, and best friend. I have never in my life been so very happy. I feel much loved, beautiful and very happy. I'm so very proud of you. You are a very strong person. It is really cool that we are strong for each other in different ways. We totally understand each other and feel for each other. When you hurt, I hurt. When you are happy, I'm happy. I just love you so much, sweetheart, and I never want to lose you. I give you my heart, my love and my life for now and forever. I love you. Letter number 3. Every time I see you smile or laugh or just acting goofy, it makes me proud to be your husband, and it always makes my day so much fun. Also, when you are with the kids, I see that they are proud of their mom because she is so much fun, so smart, and so loving. When I put all of this together, the best of life is with you, and the kids and I are so glad that you belong to us. We love you very much. Letter number 1. I don't know where I should start. Let me start by saying, I love you. I have loved you for as long as I can remember. I guess the first time I told you was when I realized how much you meant to me. We have known each other for years now. Once we got together, I couldn't believe how good things were going. It was too good to be true. It was perfect in the beginning. I loved you, and you loved me. I felt like that's the way it should still be. I didn't want you to leave. Honestly, I didn't. If I could go back, I'd beg you to stay by my side. To know you'd be miles away was breaking my heart, but I wanted you to be happy. I wanted you to make a good future for yourself, for us. Now that I think about it, how could I have let you go? What was I thinking then? Look what has happened. I know we've been through tough times. And because of that I think we have become stronger than we know. We have lasted a good while together, too. I'm so incredibly sorry for everything that I did wrong. I wish you could just tell me, and I would change it all. You know, though, neither one of us were innocent when it came to hurting each other. When I said I would marry you, I meant it. I wanted to live my entire life loving you. We could have grown old together. I know you wanted that. It would have been great. But what happened to us? Where did we go wrong? Wasn't our love untouchable? Wasn't it strong? I sit and think, and the only thing that best explains it is that we needed to be together physically. Having you in one state and me in another was unbearable. Although I really wanted to be with you, I also had school and my life here. If I could go back, I'd probably leave with you when I had the chance. Would things be better now, or is this the way it was supposed to be? All I know is we may not be together for a long time or maybe not ever again. But I want you to know that you are someone I will never ever forget. I loved you, and still love you, and will always love you, no matter what. We've been through a lot. But that love is still there. I hope you find happiness. I hope all your dreams come true. You deserve a lot. I feel very lucky to have had the chance to experience the love we once had. It's something I will forever cherish. Please don't forget it. I know things aren't the best now, but at least we still have our friendship. That's where it all started. I just ask for one thing, be happy, and know that I'm happy too. I will always think about you and us. Letter number 1. I am so glad to be loved by someone as special as you are. I thought for a long time that nobody could ever make me happy and win my hardened heart until I met you. You've really changed my life and I thank God I am loved and cherished by someone like you. You brought a sweet love into my life. I love you so much. You mean more than anything in this world to me. I thank God I found you, and I will do my best to keep your sweet love in my life. Letter number 1. I never expected to meet a man like you. You are so amazing and unique. I admire your voracious appetite for life, your strength and courage, your intelligence, your take charge, the world be damned attitude. I admire your adventurous and energetic spirit. I think of you as a pioneer of sorts, enthusiastic, confident, dynamic, and quick-witted. Of course, at times, your immense energy makes you seem aggressive and restless, headstrong and quick-tempered, but I love these qualities, too, because I know that your love for life and your love for me are what drive you. In the end, I love all that which is essential to your nature. I love the warrior within you, and there is no one else on earth I would rather be with, or who I would rather give myself to, or who can make me as happy or as content with life as you do.